Bodegas Resalte de Peñafiel started to produce high-quality wines in the year 2000 at the prestigious Spanish DO Ribera del Duero, incorporating the latest technology and traditional methods. But what is the key factor to achieve this high level of quality? We have the best grapes in the region. Bodegas Resalte chooses the Tempranillo varietal from select vineyards with specific altitude, orientation, age of vine and soil that offer unique characteristics to our wines. For the Crianza wines, the production of the vineyards is reduced to below 4,000 kilograms of grapes per hectare. Reducing the production increases the character intensity of the wine. The quality of the Reserva and Gran Resalte is assured by using vineyards which are more than 60 and 80 years old respectively. The older the vine, the lower the yield of grapes, and therefore a naturally attained intensity revealing extremely high quality. The vineyards are controlled throughout the year by the technical department of the winery, ensuring the proper evolution of each lot where the grapes reach their maturity and express the highest potential quality. This allows us to make optimum decisions for an exact time to harvest. We try to find different soils and different barrels to get a more complete wine than we would get, having only one soil and one type of barrel. If we have a good fruit, that is a good vineyard, we will get a good raw material in order to be able to make good wines. Once the grapes are in the winery, they are placed in a hopper that distributes into a selecting belt where we separate the grapes that do not meet our high standards. It's at this point when the grapes start the elaboration process that distinguishes Bodegas Resalte de Peñafiel from other wineries. We utilize gravity, free from unnecessary pumping that can damage the grapes. When the OV tank is loaded, we lift it and move it to the final tanks. We now apply a personalized process according to the specific characteristics of the grapes, revealing the unique and different aromatic profiles. At this point, a controlled fermentation process begins, which will end when the sugar is consumed. Subsequently, the maceration process begins that will last longer for wines with more aging requirements. Bodegas Resalte has an independent barrel area with automatic temperature and humidity control. We keep a constant environment throughout the aging process. All the wines of Bodegas Resalte de Peñafiel have their own personality, resulting from the different types of aging processes utilized and variety of oak used in our barrels.
In the laboratory
of Bodegas Resalte, we do not only analyze the grapes and decide the critical point for harvesting to extract the full potential of the grape, but we also measure the parameters of the components of the wine. During the whole process, we also make sensory analyses that help us to set the quality guidelines of our wines. Bottling is the final part of elaboration and very important in the process. Using the most advanced methods of hygiene and disinfection presented us with a challenge. But we pride ourselves in the superb automatic operation of our bottling machinery. Before filling the bottles, we clean and inert them to guarantee the quality of the wine that is then preserved with 100% natural cork. The wine finishes its elaboration process in a controlled room until it's time to ship to market. During all this time, we monitor the wine both analytically and organoleptically. Before the bottles go to market, we again clean them. Lastly, the labels are applied and the capsules put on. They are now ready for consumption.
Resalte comes from the Spanish verb resaltar, which means to stand out. We were founded in the year 2000 and we want to make high quality wines, all of them red, of course. Resalte has 3 brands. Resalte, which is our main brand, Peñarroble and Balción. And Resalte we make the Vendimia Seleccionada, which is the selected harvest. We make a Crianza, a Reserva and a Gran Resalte. And then the other 2 brands, Balción and Peñarroble, we make a Joven Roble, which has a little bit of oak, a crianza and a reserva. All our wines have won lots of national and international awards. We hope to see you soon in Spain and show you around the winery and the vineyards.